Hi, I'm Justin Hild here at Royal Volkswagen to give you an exclusive look at the ID.4, Volkswagen's all-electric SUV. The ID.4 is amazing from top to bottom. On the outside, it's elegant with clean aerodynamic lines and a striking presence on the road. The ID.4 interior features are very welcoming and make it stand out from other electric vehicles. The interior space is maximized in the design for all passengers and not just the driver. It has enough room for 4 friends with over 37 inches of legroom in the rear. The panoramic fixed glass roof lets light in, providing an amazing view of the sky. With the swipe of a finger, the electric sunshade can keep the light out as well. The ID light is how the ID.4 communicates with you. This intuitive light bar runs across the dashboard. The ID light uses glowing visuals and sounds to notify you of incoming calls, brake warnings, charge status, and more. With IQ Drive, getting to where you need to go is a whole lot easier. Advanced driver assistance technology features hands-on semi-autonomous driving. With adaptive cruise control, you can set the ID.4 to maintain a specific amount of distance and speed in traffic, and it will slow down or speed up accordingly. This electric vehicle shatters expectations on performance with instant torque. The super quiet acceleration will surprise you when you hit the pedal. This is a fun vehicle to drive, plus going electric means never paying at the pump again. With a range of 250 miles based on EPA estimates, the ID.4 can get you where you need to go with confidence. Come see me and the ID.4 here at Royal on the corner of I-65 and Highway 31.